Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
We start autonomous. Blue Lions making their way out and dropping off a cube. 238 going for another cone. Looks like they just missed, but their partner 6324 onto that charging station just as we start tally up. Red Alliance going straight for picking up game pieces. 1735 with cones in hand. 2370 right next to them. We see 1, 2 get dropped off for the Red Alliance, for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance into the loading zone. They're trying to pick up their game pieces as fast as they can. We see Blue Alliance dropping off another. That's 177 and 2370 dropping off some more game pieces. 177 is wasting no time to get back to their loading zone. They're going right across that charging station. 2370 smoothly making their way across the field. They're going for that outer grid, trying to drop off a cone. They drop off the cone for the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance having a link. Red Alliance still working on theirs. 7153 lining up in the outer grid. They're trying to drop off their cone. That's a cone dropped off by the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance make their way as well, dropping off another cube. 1735 right behind their partner trying to drop off a cone. They drop it off. We see some interference across the field. That doesn't stop iBots from getting over to the grid. Red Alliance still makes it over to their grid as well. We see 2 links for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance going for another as well. 1735, cone in hand, lining up onto the outer grid. Their partner, 2370, dropping off 1 as well into that co-op grid. We see 3 links for the Blue Alliance, 2 for Red. 30 seconds left on the clock. 7153 with a cone in hand, trying to drop off that cone into that outer grid. iBots trying to line up onto that charging station. 177 trying to join them. Green Reapers trying to join them as well. Will we get 2 blue robots onto that charging station? Red, we see 238 and 7153 trying to balance onto that charging station. We see 2 blue robots. Will we see 2 red? They're trying to get that lined up just right. And we see 2 red robots onto that charging station. And we see a red robot onto that BC dot as well. We'll have the scores here shortly. All right, up on the board, we got scores. All right, up on the board. Who's it going to be? Red Alliance takes the win. A score of 116 to 104 in favor of Red. Red getting 3 ranking points, moving everyone on the Red Alliance up in the ranks. We're going to continue on with match 20.